Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. In today's recipe I'm going to be sharing with you on how to make this very yummy cheese flat bread. See guys, you won't buy bread, you won't bother buying bread from the grocery stores again after this recipe. It's very simple to make and everyone will love this. Let's just go right into the recipe. For this recipe you'll be needing 3.5 cups of all-purpose flour. So just add it into the bowl. Add in your sugar. I use 2 tablespoons of sugar for this recipe. Proceed now to add in half teaspoon of salt. Add in 1.5 teaspoon of yeast, active yeast. Stir this all together now. So right now you'll be adding about 2 tablespoons of butter. Proceed now to use your hands to mix all this together. You're going to make sure that you mix all the ingredients well. This is what it should look like when you are done. So right now we are going to be adding in water and I use 1 cup of lukewarm water for this. You need lukewarm water, 1 cup of water. So I added it half cup at a time. So just continue mixing till the dough comes together like this. You don't need to over knead the dough. Just about 5 minutes you should be done. So just proceed now to cover this and allow the dough to rest and as well double its size. 15 minutes later the dough is good enough for us now to proceed to work with it now. Just transfer the dough to your work surface and proceed now to divide it into equal sizes. There are two methods of making this flatbread. So this is the first method I'm sharing with you guys. So just use your rolling pin to flatten the dough into reasonable size like this. So you're just going to proceed now to add in your cheese. By the way, I'm using mozzarella cheese for this. So just add it in and mold it like a ball first. Once you are done, you are just going to use your rolling pin again to just roll it out. And that is the first method. But I find the second method much easier and faster to work with. So once you are done, just set it aside and complete the rest. But for the second method, you are just going to divide one dough into two parts again. Use your rolling pin, flatten it up, and proceed now to add in the cheese to the dough. Just watch as I do this. Pour as much cheese as you like. Just be generous when adding your cheese because this is a cheesy poo flat bread. Just take the second half now, flatten it with your hands and cover up the dough. Just use your rolling pin and proceed now to roll it out as you want. See guys, I find this second method easier than the first one. I don't know about you, but you can try out the two methods and see the one that works well for you. I just say let me ask you guys, have you subscribed to my YouTube channel? Are you a member of this community? Please, if you're not yet a member of this our beautiful community, just hit the subscribe button below and subscribe to my channel. Thank you as you do that. And that is it, guys. This one can stretch as much as you want it. So right now we are just going to cook this in our frying pan, and I'm using a non-stick frying pan for this. You don't need to add in oil, you don't need to add in anything. Just place in your flatbread to your pan, cook this on a low to medium heat, and proceed to just cook the other side. You will notice this puffing up like this. Allow this to cook evenly. Just know that you got your dough right. So I'm going to flip it over for it to cook on the other side, and this is what you have. Is well cooked now, is ready on both sides. So I'm just going to take it out, and that is it. Our flatbread is ready. The aroma coming from this is so good, and it is so, it's still very hot. But let me just try to open it for you guys. See, the cheese is pulling and it is so good. You can serve this over warm milk. I can enjoy with your friends and family. You don't even need to buy bread again, like I said in the beginning of the video, because this is so simple but very, very delicious. Thank you guys for watching this video to this point, and if you have enjoyed this recipe, please do let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment below, and share the recipe. Have a nice day and enjoy with your friends and family. Bye.